Melt 50 grams of margarine. Pematang Siantar, North Sumatra. Do you know this city, guys? Or perhaps you ever visited it? One egg, 75 grams of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of baking powder. Especially to you who have never been, you need to know that there is an interesting souvenir that you can take home, namely Roti Ketawa. Roti Ketawa is a famous traditional Indonesian culinary typically from Pematang Siantar. By good news from Indonesia that this bread is estimated to have been famous and started to exist since 1978. And for your information, by the look, Roti Ketawa's shape is similar to Onde Onde, which has a round shape and is equally sprinkled with sesame seed. 250 grams of all-purpose flour, but Onde Onde itself originally came from China during the Tang Dynasty and officially Xian area. This snack was then brought by immigrants to Asia and then expanded to Indonesia. 30 milliliters of water, the difference between Onde Onde and Roti Ketawa is the fillings inside. Meanwhile, Roti Ketawa doesn't have any fillings at all. And it is fried where the sides are almost split. This makes the round shape slits on the surface so that it resembles a smile or laugh. And perhaps the shape that became the origin of this bread called Roti Ketawa. Nah, that's why people in some areas call this bread Onde Onde Ketawa. Furthermore, this bread has a slightly firm texture and is also crumbly when freshly fried. And you don't worry to eat this bread, even though it is called Roti Ketawa, but it won't make you laugh out loud. And usually in the marketplaces, you can find two sizes, small and large. The tips: this bread will taste more delicious if it is served hot and with a cup of warm tea or coffee. This bread is sold in almost every roadside stall in Pematang Siantar at a retail price of 1,000 rupiah per unit or in large quantities at souvenir shops. Nah, if you haven't had the opportunity to visit this city, you don't need to worry, you can try this recipe at home. The common mistakes of making this bread is the sesame seed falls when fried or the bread does not split or laughs. as those are the benchmark for the success or failure of this bread.